All right, friends, we got a noisy bird up there today. It's your boy Joey again. This will be a pretty short video. With all the overheating issues, I did end up having to change the water pump. Let's show you why real quick over here. This has the plastic impeller, and yeah, that is not supposed to happen. Yeah, she broke. So that would definitely cause those weird issues I was having. The one I got was real cheap, 89 bucks. The housing does need to be replaced. I need to replace the coolant with real coolant, flush the whole system out real good. I do want a new radiator and all new hoses. So next year, my plan is to replace all of that stuff. That's about 800 bucks for the radiator I want. It's fully welded, all aluminum. That fitting over there won't leak anymore with that. It'll have silicone hoses, which should last longer, work better. Let's see. The housing and the pump I'm getting, a welded pump. So what can happen on some trucks is this gear will start spinning on the shaft. So you just weld there a little bit. So that'll be coming. And the company makes a beefy housing for it too. So that would be awesome. Let me say, I didn't film this because I didn't really know what I was doing. And I was doing it mostly by myself. And it took me about 12, 13 hours to get it all done. Next time I do it, it'll be much faster. Learned a few things, so yeah. We're gonna do first start. Turbo piping is currently not connected because if we go down here, right, focus where I want you to. Here is where see the blue, then this pipe here, and you see the orange. Well, that's my washer fluid bottom. The way I have it, it's touching that. So it's about impossible to put it on. So I'm gonna turn the wheel so I can get in there a little better and pull this. I should have done it when I had the tire off, but anyways, we're gonna set you up for first start. Let's see how this goes. Come on. Not gonna lie, I'm a little surprised. I thought something would be leaking. Well, probably get a new valve. But everything's working. Let her warm up a little bit. Pretty excited. Gonna pause you, then I'll get right back with you. Final thought. If you can hear me, we got a leak. And see that black pipe there? Right there. That presses into the bottom of it, and that little flexi thing there the O-ring, but I really think it's just the fitting going. Oh, I think I gotta press it in there a little better. I had to wiggle it around a whole bunch. So yeah, we're gonna do that when it cools down. Maybe tomorrow, we'll see, or tonight. It's supposed to be rainy soon. I'm gonna take a nap. Then I'll edit this video. Then we'll see what to do. But anyways, I'm out of here. Oh, temps are real good. They never got above 187 on my little drive. And I have heat and the radiator is fully warm. So I'm pretty happy. Didn't get on the highway only because I knew it was leaking. I didn't know how bad. That's pretty bad. So yeah, I'll get that later when it's cold. Because working on a hot motor like that is not fun. Yeah, anyways. Peace out. Don't party too hard.